A freezing cold wind blows from the sea, carrying salty water with it. In this rare phenomenon, we're watching how the suddenly frozen seawater looks.
She's thankful for the city.
In Dearborn Heights today, this team from the city digging, salting, a cold weather crew showing off its teamwork that is making the dream work for Cheryl Fritz. That crew was pushing water and ice off the street. It is so cold, covering the cars instantly, as Cheryl tried to get out there to move them. Make no mistake, no defroster, no ice scraper was going to help free these vehicles from this ice.
This is freaking cool, dude. Wow. This is actually dope. Oh, this is crazy. Their windows are screwed. Look at this. Jesus. Wow. Oh my God. Sorry for being like, this is unbelievable.
Have you ever experienced such an event? It's very frustrating, because at that moment you can't do anything about it. Look at the damage the hail does to the car. In Baku, Azerbaijan, the roads are icy due to the cold weather and rain, making it a tough test for these cars going downhill. Luckily, none of them were damaged. In New Orleans, accidents on the bridge are inevitable when visibility is shortened due to fog. There were no casualties in this accident involving dozens of vehicles, but the damage is millions of dollars. I hope they have insurance. Traffic was closed for half a day. These people find it fun to watch a road blocked by floods in Pakistan, and when they realize that their car is about to be flooded, all hell breaks loose. Some run to their cars, while others try to escape the flood.
انا مصور فيديو.
We're witnessing just a small part of the chaos caused by the sudden flooding in Italy back in 2011. In an instant, people are caught in the raging waters with nowhere to escape.
Oddio, 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 un disastro!
Guarda qua, ma come fanno a passare quelli lì?
We're watching what a small tsunami wave from the sea can do on the French Riviera. Tornadoes move. That's a known fact, but this tornado, which this man got close enough to get out of his car and watch, doesn't seem to be moving. India's frequent floods, this house, like dozens of others built by the river, is swept away by the flood waters. This artificial irrigation pond in Myanmar collapsed during a flood in 2024 when soft soil was washed away by floodwaters. By the time it was discovered that it was strategically installed in the wrong place, it was too late to save the pond. Soft, sandy soil and thousands of tons of water should not go together. I think one of the most frightening disasters is to be trapped on a ship caught in a storm in the middle of the ocean. There is nowhere to escape. You are at the mercy of the waves, and if you fall into the ocean, it is impossible to survive. We watch a boat accident on the Arno River in Florence, Italy, where the waters rise and speed up with the heavy rain. The river is flowing so fast that it sinks the boat and carries it under the bridge. We're watching as a massive boulder breaks away from the mountain, triggered by tremors caused by explosions in the mine. The separation of marble and rock leads to this dramatic fall. It's a miracle that no one was hurt. In 2024, we are watching a storm hit an airfield in Russia, causing millions of dollars of damage. Most of the planes are unusable. The wind blows the planes around like toys. There's nothing the staff can do. Once again, we see falling rocks and people watching in awe. Why do men love watching things drop from great heights? I'm sure you've also stood on a high place and thrown a rock down. It's an incredible event for adventure lovers. How long do you think they waited to see this moment?
Hubo gente que salió despedida con los coches.
We're watching the damage caused by tsunami waves that reached California after the tsunami in Japan. In this marina alone, the reported damage exceeded $26 million. Dozens of boats were lost, swept away into the ocean.
Right back up here if it gets under.
This landslide is wiping out half the mountain, yet people still want to watch until the very last moment. As the event escalates, they finally start running for safety. Thankfully, the gap in between prevents the sliding earth and rocks from reaching them. In India, 3 days of non-stop rainfall have caused the river to rise, sweeping away this wooden bridge in the village. Some people are left stranded on the other side for a long time.
This is our house. Please save us before we float away. This guy's gonna get stuck. What are you doing?
These container homes, built on the slope of a hill, start sliding downhill as the ground collapses due to a landslide. Luckily, the residents managed to get out in time. There's nothing like watching the sea on a beautiful sunny day, but it's always a good idea to keep an eye on the waves. Honestly, I wouldn't want my car on a ship like this. Salt water can be deadly for cars.
Ёкарный. Отфига.
A tornado, that's as terrifying as it is mesmerizing, don't you think?
E incredibil. Deci este absolut incredibil. Este un nori.
In this video from Denver, filmed in 2018, we see once again how dangerous hailstorms can be. Nearly all the windows of the house are shattered. We're watching a landslide triggered by tremors on a volcanic mountain in Russia. It's absolutely insane, and these daring people are standing in a dangerously risky spot.
Аккуратнее. Еще один идет. Еще идет, аккуратней.
These volcanic clouds rise miles into the sky, colliding with the clouds above and creating an incredible sight.
It's still there, and yeah.
A massive tornado captured by storm chasers during tornado season in Wyoming.
Knows that this was going to happen. It's this thing, but yeah, anybody that knows me knows that this was going to happen.
Yeah, mom sent me texts going, "You left me with a freaking out child. Get your ass back."
Oh, you have another
No.
The last tornado I saw was on your farm.
Yep.
I know, this is awesome.
Dad.
I know, I've got the camera on it.
Oh my god, it's a fucking photo right in front of us. I know.
If it starts getting too close.
A landslide is a very dangerous event. It can happen unexpectedly, but still people love to stop and watch.
Oh man. No.
Oh, man! Que var esto? Man!
Thanks for watching. See you in the next videos. Don't forget to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments, and support by liking the video. Stay safe.